Welcome back to Freezer Tech. Today, we'll continue with our Python series. Today, we'll be discussing how to install external packages in Python. In the previous tutorial, we have talked about how you can create your own packages or a folder containing different modules. Today, we're going to see how to use packages created by other people, because very often in programming, we use packages created by other people because we don't have to reinvent the wheel when we want to do something simple. So let's get ahead, because this is one of the things that we're using so much in Python. We're using libraries and packages built by other people. So let's get to it. So to install packages in Python, we use the pip command. Pip stands for preferred installer program. This is a Python package installer that is used to install packages on your local machine. So let's get ahead and see the syntax of how to work with pip. So to work with pip, you simply type pip install and then the name of the package that you want to install. This command is for when you're on Windows, but if you're on a Linux, you specify the Python version in front of the pip command. So for example, if you're using Python 3 on Linux, you can say pip3 install and then the name of the package. Okay, so I hope you understand. But if you're using Windows, you just simply say pip install package and the name of the pip install and the name of the package. Okay, so there are many pip commands that you can use. So to find more about packages, because you can know all the packages in the world, so let's just open our browser and then you can find this website. This website over here is really good website where you can find different Python extension packages that you can use within your Python projects. So to find a Python package, you simply type in the name of the package. For example, in this tutorial we'll be working with this package, so I'll just type it in and hit enter, and I'll select the first one. So it shows you how to install it. So you simply just copy this to clipboard and then you paste it in your terminal or your command line, CMD if you're using Windows, and you simply hit enter to go ahead and install the package for you. So to install a package, you need to have internet access or service running. So you can go down and read about how to install, installation, different how to use it, and a bit of documentation about how to use a specific module. So I have already gone ahead and find out about this module, so let's get ahead and use it. So to work with it, you simply open up your terminal. I'll bring up my terminal here, so you simply type in the command. So let's go. Let's say I'll type it again. So we say pip3 install and then pytt sx3. So if you hit command this to go ahead and install Python for this package for you. So me, what I prefer to, if you install it this way, it will install it in your global Python package. But the best practice to do it is to create a virtual environment and you install it in that virtual environment. Using virtual environment has many advantages, like when you move your Python program to another computer, within that folder will contain the package, the virtual environment consists of all the package and dependencies that your program uses. So this can help you save a ton of time instead of having to go to your program and manually install this again. So I have created a video on how to use virtual environments on my YouTube channel. You can go and check out that video. So if you're on Windows, you simply type in here pip3, right, the command that you got from me. So if you're on Windows, simply copy this and paste it, but if you're on a Linux, you have to put 3 in front of the pip. Okay, so just hit enter this to go ahead and install this package for you. I've already done that in my virtual environment, so let's go ahead and see what I've done. So after doing this, will go ahead go ahead and install it for you. So let me just hit enter so that you guys can see what will happen. It go ahead, collect the packages and install it for me. See, it's done that, successfully installed that one. So it's all 2.87, which is the latest version. Okay, so that's how to do. We don't need to install it first. So now we have this package within our local machine, so we can go ahead and use it. So you just open up your favorite text editor. Mine is Visual Studio Code. I have a file here called a Python file opened up. So let's get to it. So now that you have installed this package is in your Python packages file, so you can access it. So to access it, you just say you simply say import, and then the name of the, you can see it's bringing it from here. So you simply import this library. So the import and then the name of that library that you have installed. You can find more documentation on how to import statements and all of that. You can find it on this page if you go here. So this is pi.org. I don't know if it's pronounced like that, but yeah, you just go to that website and you can find documentation about how to install and import and all of that. So let's get to it. So now that you have imported this library, what it does is used to change your text into speech in Python. So for example, I'll just go ahead and type in what is needed. So say py to create an object of this .init. Okay, so this will go ahead and create for us an object of this library. I know I don't know what an object is because it's more a complex topic that we'll discuss later on in this series, but don't mind what I'm doing right now, just follow along, because this tutorial is meant to teach you how to download packages and use it for your program. So let's go ahead. Okay, we have done that, so we can say engine.say, sorry, say, and then in here whatever text we put in will be changed to audio format. So so I'm going to just run this, and you can find this code on this website over here. You can find how to use this library on this website over here. So I have already read the documentation, so this is how you work on it. So if now I run this application, let's see what we get.
Hello world.
I hope you had that. So let me run it one more time.
Hello world.
Yeah, so it simply said whatever you have put inside this parenthesis, which is a string. Okay, this is how you can work with this library in Python. So this is how you install the library and how you can import it and work with it. So I just want us to take this a little bit further. You remember that we have created our tiny robot Jarvis, right? Now Jarvis simply prints on the screen. So I was thinking if we could make a cool project and make Jarvis talk instead. So we'll take the knowledge from here and apply it in this program. So to do this, we simply import again the package, import pytt this 3. So we'll run the same code over again. So let me just save time. I'll just copy and paste it over here. Okay, you can save time, so copy and paste it. So now we're going to be saying hello. We'll cut this and paste it over here. So indent, fix the indentation. Okay, so now instead of us saying hello world, we are going to be saying what Jarvis usually prints on the screen. So I'm going to just cut this statement and paste it in here instead. Okay, so just go ahead, Control V, and then I'll remove Jarvis. Okay, so you can remove this. Okay, you can get rid of this double quotes over here. Okay, and then we hit save. So now let's run this and then let's see what Jarvis says when we ask him who are you. So let's run this in the terminal. So we'll just simply type who are you.
Hello, my name is Jarvis. I'm a simple chat robot.
You heard that right, so I'll just repeat again. Who are you?
Hello, my name is Jarvis. I'm a simple chat robot.
So I hope you heard that. So that's what Jarvis says when you type who are you, instead of printing it out on the screen. So you can just copy this code and paste it all over here by changing the text of what Jarvis says. And at the end of the day, you have a program that can talk, that you can have a conversation with. Okay, so this is how you can install packages from the online resources that other people have created, import into a Python project and use it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Okay, So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, you have any problem of how to install packages in Python, please don't hesitate to ask me more about how to do that. Leave a comment in the comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram at FreezerTech. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and don't forget to like if this content was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.